Hello friends, today we will start another tutorial focusing on the creation and coding of a simple one-counter queuing management system. A queuing management system is a software-based solution designed to streamline the process of managing queues or lines in various settings such as retail stores, banks, hospitals, government offices, and other service-oriented establishments. The primary goal of such a system is to improve customer satisfaction and operational efficiency by minimizing wait times, optimizing resource utilization, and enhancing overall service delivery. Our system comprises three components. The first component is a basic ticketing thermal printer capable of being configured in advance to print tokens with queue numbers and messages. The second component is a waiting area equipped with a display connected to an employee's PC via HDMI, Ethernet, or wireless network, which showcases videos detailing the company and its workflow processes. Lastly, the third component is the software responsible for queue management, which calls the next number and displays corresponding messages on the waiting area display, prompting customers to approach the counter. Without further delay, let's initiate the building of the system. The primary component entails procuring a simple thermal printer, priced below $100. This printer should be capable of being pre-configured to print tokens, queue numbers, and messages with a single button press, as it is shown in the video. This thermal printer will be situated at the entrance of the building. When a customer approaches, they'll need to press the button to receive a ticket before proceeding to the waiting area. The following component is a waiting area equipped with a display. This display requires connection to an employee's PC via HDMI, Ethernet, or wireless network. Its purpose is to announce the next customer by displaying messages and playing sounds. Additionally, it will intermittently showcase videos providing information about the work and instructions. The third component, which serves as the software governing the entire system, holds utmost significance. Let's begin its construction by initiating the creation of a new Windows Form application using Visual Studio. Then, we'll proceed to rename the form and adding 6 buttons, a picture box, a numeric up-down control, and a label, ensuring they possess the specified properties. We require the addition of another form that will serve to showcase videos and messages on the waiting area display, and calling customers to approach the counter. We must include Windows Media Player in the toolbox by performing a right-click on the toolbox and selecting the checkbox next to Windows Media Player in the COM Components tab. Then, we'll navigate to the Solution Explorer, followed by accessing the NuGet Package Manager to search for NAudio. Then, we'll select the appropriate version compatible with our project and proceed with its installation. If the version doesn't suit your project, you have the option to uninstall it and then repeat the process to install a different version that fits your requirements. We need to install an additional NuGet package. Search for Input Simulator and proceed with its installation. We're about to begin coding for all items of the main form. This form serves the purpose of displaying videos in the waiting area and calling customers. Follow the steps systematically to adjust properties and codes as required. It includes 2 buttons that should be positioned behind other elements, a Windows media player, and a rich text box that need to be in front of other items. You can pause the video whenever necessary to copy the codes. And ensure to include headers in the codes. Before proceeding with the coding for the control form, we need to include some headers in the header section, declare necessary classes, and write preliminary code for loading playback and recording devices. Next, we will develop the control form designed for employees to manage the waiting area display. This form includes several features. A microphone button that allows broadcasting the employee's voice when held down. A numeric up-down item. A recall button to call the number displayed in the numeric up-down. A call next button for calling the next customer. 2 combo boxes for loading recording and playback devices. A Connect TV button for quickly linking to displays. An Extend Screen button to activate the waiting area display and start broadcasting. A Play/Pause Media button for controlling media on the waiting area display. A label. A picture box displaying the company logo. Please follow the steps in the video to copy all properties and codes for each item and pay attention to spelling and small and capital letters. We've completed all the coding work. I'll include the codes in the video description for you to easily copy and paste into your forms. The only thing left is to create the software folder and testing. We need to go to Debug folder in the project folder to create two subfolders, one for the videos and the other one for the notification sounds. Token number. Please proceed to the counter number 1. 1, 2. You can go to the TTS website to make notifications and number sounds from text and download them to the debug folder. But please make sure that they have the same name pattern as shown in the video. 3. You can copy the debug folder to any PC and run the program on it. For running program, click on application icon in the debug folder. Please note that the big display is waiting area display that I have added it to bottom right of the screen.
Made with the goodness of 5 times more fiber, providing tasty nourishment in every bite, keeping you active and
Token number 5. Please proceed to the counter number 1.
free.
Token number 6. Please proceed to the counter number 1.
Made with the goodness.
Call center agent and customer.
Everything is functioning flawlessly, but please note that this program currently supports only one counter employee. Our next project will code a multi-counter system. In the meantime, be sure to subscribe to my channel, Civil++, for more helpful videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you.